how to recover and restore Chrome extensions. So if you want to recover and restore Chrome extensions, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser and go with your search and search for Chrome extensions. And it will take you to this kind of interface. If you have the toggle off, you can just simply go and toggle on the buttons. So if the extension is completely missing, the fastest solution is to reinstall it. Go to the Chrome Web Store and then go and search for the extension that you would like to add. Once you find the extension, you need to go with Add to Chrome, which will be on the right side, and it will be added. If you don't remember the name, you can check your Chrome browsing history. You can go with the three dots, which will be on the top, and then here you'll need to just simply go with the history option. Sometimes the extensions page is still there, which makes it easy to find again. Now, here's something many people don't know. If you were signed into Chrome with your Google account, your extensions may still be synced. Click on your profile icon and go with sync. And here, you just need to simply go and turn on your sync with your Google account. Your extensions may still be synced. You need to scroll down a bit under your sync and then make sure that the extensions option is turned on. You can go with manage what you sync, then scroll down, and here you will find the extensions. You need to go and turn this option on, or click on sync everything, and all the options will be turned on. Once sync is enabled, Chrome can automatically restore previously installed extensions. Another useful method is checking your Google activity. You can search for My Activity and then click on it. And here you need to scroll down a bit and you will have the extensions option. Click on the extensions or you will have the history of your extensions. So these are the few solutions, and if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.